In 1554, when the Franciscans here at San Francesco della Vigna decided to restore their church, they hired a Florentine architect by the name of Jacopo Sansovino. But he only lasted 8 years, and that's when the great Andrea Palladio took over. Palladio's major contribution to San Francesco della Vigna is that extraordinary facade. This classically inspired structure whose central bay covers the nave with these colossal order Corinthian columns supporting that massive triangular pediment. And then covering the side aisles, we have these smaller columns which rise up from the same plinth and support the half pediments that are angled such so that they complement that central section. And then in the middle, those smaller columns holding up the lunette, which has the 2 brackets, and so it's broken up into a couple of spaces, and in turn, that segmented entablature with the swollen frieze that you see inside. It is a triumph of classical architecture in a city that was still heavily linked to Gothic traditions. The interior of the church is quite simple and austere, very much in line with the Franciscan idea of poverty, a simple Latin cross plan. So if you're in Venice, be sure to stop by the beautiful San Francesco della Vigna. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy. And remember to buy my new book, Rebuilding the Renaissance, Volume 1, The Ancient Roman World, available on my website and also on Amazon. And so you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.